Everyone loves bacon off the Blackstone, but I'm gonna show you how to make bacon gravy. This is perfect over biscuits or sourdough bread, but one of my favorite things is tater tots or loading tater tots and calling them tachos. This is bacon gravy, slow cooked on the Blackstone in a pan while we griddle up frozen tater tots, fry up some eggs, load it all up with some cheese. You guys are going to love this one just as much as I do. Let me show you how. Breakfast gravy is one of my favorite things. Whether you're making it with sausage or bacon, you can make breakfast gravy in minutes on the Blackstone. Before we start getting our ingredients ready, we'll turn on our Blackstone. On the left side, we'll add our pan, set this to high to preheat. While that preheats, we'll get all of our ingredients ready. I've got a block of cheddar cheese. I'm gonna hand shred this, super important so that you get that nice, creamy, melty cheese all over the top of everything. I've got some green onions. We'll slice these up nice and thin, slide them aside just for a second as well. Now it's time for our bacon. I've got thick cut bacon. You want to chop it up nice and small, or you can go thick. It's totally up to you how you like it in your gravy. Then we'll drop our bacon into our pan and let this begin to cook. As it starts to cook, it's going to render out all of its fat. You want to keep this is the liquid gold magic for our gravy. You'll want to keep mixing your bacon until it's as crispy or as well done as you'd like. Get our side burners on low, drizzle down a little bit of oil, and then grab our extra crispy tater tots, drop them down and let them begin to thaw on the griddle. As they start to thaw, you can add more oil as needed, giving them a little mix. I like to kind of shimmy my spatula underneath these. That way they don't break apart too much. This just helps them to roll back and forth. Jump back over to our bacon and give that a mix. It's cooking wonderfully. I think this is exactly how I want it. All that bacon grease I'm leaving in there. If you'd like to remove some of it, you can. But I think it adds so much more flavor, and it's gonna help us make our roux. So we'll add in some flour, about 3 tablespoons sprinkled over the top, and now you kind of have to work quickly. We've got our whisk. We're gonna whisk this flour into that bacon grease. As it starts to bubble and foam and thicken up, we'll grab some half and half and whisk that in. I'm also gonna grab some 2% milk to this half and half just to loosen it up. As this starts to cook, it's going to thicken, so you wanna keep it moving. When it's just about to the consistency that you like, you can now drop down your eggs. I've got a little bit of butter. We'll swirl this on to our griddle. I'm gonna cut the heat off, drop down 3 eggs, and let that cook on the residual heat, seasoning with the Blackstone Lumberjack seasoning. My tots are super crispy, so I'm gonna plate these up using our Blackstone scooper. Then grab this beautiful creamy bacon country gravy, ladle it all over these tater tots, a big handful of that freshly shredded cheddar cheese, grab our eggs, top it off with my favorite extra green onions, and I'm gonna do a post dust just for CJ of our lumberjack seasoning all over the top. I cannot wait to dive into these. I know you guys are gonna love these. Whether you're making it with bacon gravy, which honestly goes so good over anything from biscuits to sourdough to even just straight out of a bowl with a spoon. But my favorite is loaded tater tots. I love loading up tater tots with so many different things, but this is the way I like to start my day. Look at that drippy, drippy, drippy egg, Ethan. Oh my gosh, that's my favorite part. A dippy egg, tater tots, country gravy, and bacon. Doesn't get no better. If you guys make this, be sure to show me. Send a picture, post a picture, tag me Blackstone Betty, tag Blackstone Products. I cannot wait for you guys to taste this one at home.